Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. How are you, my dear friends? I hope all of you are doing fine. So what about your lockdown period? Is it going fine? Are you enjoying? Are you staying in a good health? Let me know about yourself in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. So my dear friends, as you know, every day I bring beautiful crochet or knitted collections for you, and I am very thankful that you support me and like these videos and support me by watching. In this video I have brought a beautiful and amazingly stylish collection of crochet lace tops. These crochet lace tops are very popular and I think every woman loves to wear them because these are unique and stylish ones. If you are trying to find some designs that maybe you are locked down to do things, or you are trying to make a few tops or anything like crochet, you can watch my videos. I have uploaded so many like crochet tops, crochet beanies, hats, crochet baby frocks, crochet gloves, and so many other things, even crochet cover-ups and the cardigans and sweaters, knitted ones, and so many other beautiful things. If you are trying to find some ideas, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. I hope you are liking this video. If you are liking the content, I request you to please hit like, and if you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. You can get also very beautiful and amazingly stylish ideas of crochet tops, as well as you can know about the color schemes. You can also know about the contrast and combination ideas of the colors. And look at this black one, it is so beautiful, and just look at the necklace, it is I think attached. And this crochet lace neck top is this crochet lace top is also very beautiful, and I hope you are loving it. And these crochet lace tops are with long sleeves, so for all the ladies who love to wear long sleeves or full sleeve tops, these are better and very good and stylish ideas for you. There are so many colors and so many designs. You can also get pattern ideas, stitch ideas from these. This one is also very beautiful and very artistic piece. And look at this one, it is also looking so cute. You can also wear it with a black jeans or with a white even, or with a skin kind of light color jeans can be very good with this. And this blue one is also looking so cute. The model is wearing a dark colored jean with it. It is looking beautiful, but if you want to look more prominent, you can even wear the contrast color jeans with it. And this yellow one is also so cute. I'm just loving the pattern and design, and see how beautifully the lace has ornamented actually this top. And this one is also very cute. Look at the sleeves design and the lace on its border. It is very different and a unique style, and I think you would slay in it if you go for it. And this one is also very beautiful, and it is having a center lace around the shoulders and on the border. This one is also very beautiful top. It is also having long sleeves. So these crochet lace tops with long sleeves are amazingly beautiful, and these are in trend nowadays. Women, girls, and teenagers even want to wear these because they are so stylish and make you very beautiful. If you want to go to somewhere, or you are planning to attend an event after lockdown, or you want to go to market, even if you want to look stylish in your everyday routine life, then this video is surely very beneficial for you, because you can get ideas how to look stylish. Because this video is not only giving you an idea of color schemes, patterns, or the actually crochet top styles, but actually there are models that are wearing these tops with jeans and so many other things, and are giving you ideas about your kind of dressing. For example, you can get an idea how to dress up, what to wear with this top, and what to wear in the jewelry, and what to wear like earrings, and which kind of bracelets would suit you, because so many pictures are giving you ideas, and even you can get ideas of hairstyles from many pictures of the models. Along with that, I love to share some skincare tips with you. So in this video I'm going to share a very beautiful skincare tip that if you are a person who love clear skin and having the issue of open pores, so in today's video I'm going to share a beautiful homemade remedy for you that is quite easy to do and quite simple and not expensive. Anything is used in it to buy. So if you love to do it, if you want to go this way to have a clear skin and without open pores, so just need an aloe vera plant in your home or around your home or in your lawn or wherever you can grow it. Just you have to take a bit of aloe vera, a piece of aloe vera, a little piece, and you have to take that aloe vera gel out of that leaf, and just you have to use it as a toner on your face on a daily basis, and this would be an amazing toner. You can even massage your face with it in the morning. It would be very beneficial for you. And if you are facing the issue of dehydration, your skin is dry and you want to get it smoother, then even you can take it and you can enjoy your glowy skin within a days. But the condition is that you have to be regular, you have to use it regular. So I hope this tip is going to be very beneficial for you. If you like it, hit like and subscribe to my channel if you are watching me for the first time, and share my video with others. Thank you so much for your support. I guess that you are liking all the ideas and you are getting ideas about these beautiful crochet long sleeved crochet lace tops. These are also very beautiful, and the dressing styles are also so cool. This lady is also looking so cute and very beautiful wearing this crochet lace top. This one is also an off shoulder type of top that is with long sleeves and laced one. You know, laces actually make the things more beautiful and more stylish. So if you want to look a different way, and if you want to slay in actual wearing the outfits in a different kind of way, then you can go for these tops. And if you are trying to spend your lockdown period in a very beautiful and positive way, and you are trying to make something for you or your grandchildren or anyone to gift, so these tops are amazing to gift someone, and I am sure that the person who you are going to gift would be loving these, because hard work is something that makes the thing really beautiful, and actually the things emerge as an artistic piece at the end. So the final look actually surprises you and gives you pleasure and happiness. If you like it, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you are liking it, and I am so thankful to all my friends who keep supporting me, who keep encouraging me, and who keep giving me confidence for the positive things. This one is also very cute in white color. You can see that most of them are in white colors, because white colors is super cool, super prominent, and it looks very beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves and your families, and take care of all the people around you. I'm so thankful to you for your time. Take care. Be careful. Till the next video. Allah Hafiz.